Hello, welcome to HackerKID's Do It Yourself series. So today we are going to be doing HackerKID's Turtle game level. So let's open up right away and start doing it. So this is my account and I'm opened up the games. So they have so many games and we'll open up Turtle first and I already solved a few levels. So some of it is locked since I'm using a free account. If you want a premium account, you'll have to purchase it. So I started doing this level. So I really liked it. I wanted to show it to you guys. So I'll do it again for you. So let's say, so the game level is basically I have to redraw the Olympic rings, the Olympic logo, right? So that's what I have to redraw. I have to do it all by using Python code. Okay, so they have given a set of instructions over here which I'm going to follow step by step, and I'm going to recreate the diagram. Let's see how it goes. So the first one is import turtle. We have placed that. The next one, it says set the pen size to 6 units. So we'll do that. So we'll take the set pen size, we'll place that one, we'll take the math, place it with this one, and we'll change the units to 6. This is first. The next one, it says set the pen color as blue. So we'll take that, set pen color as blue, and take the text and we'll place it here and type blue. Next, it says draw a circle with radius of 50. So we'll take the draw circle radius and we'll place it with the number block and give the value as 50. Okay, let's see whether if it works till now. So I'm going to click play and you'll find that the first circle has been drawn and it is in blue color. Now let's move on to the second circle. Okay, so it says I have to lift the pen up. So basically when I started doing this, I figured it out. It's basically like actually drawing in the paper. So what do you do after drawing the first circle? We take up the pen, right? So it says lift up the pen. It's exactly what it says. So it has to be very specific. So when I understood that, it's like instructing a baby. When talking to a computer, you have to instruct it like a baby, only then it will understand. So we'll take the pen up. Then it says set the pen color as black. You have to change the pens, right? The second circle is in black color now. So I'll change the circle to say, take the pen color as black. Okay, next what we are going to do is we have to position it to the next point, right? So first circle has been drawn. Next you have to go to the second circle, right? So the second circle is at a different position, so it has to give a right direction. So we'll go take this block as go to, and we'll take two number blocks for x direction and y direction. Okay, so it's basically like a graph, you know. So for x it says you have to give it as 110 units, and y it says it's just 0. Okay, so then it says now we have to place the pen down. We took up the pen, right? Now to place the black pen down. So now we will take the pen down and we'll place that, and only after placing that you have to draw the circle, exactly like how you would do while you're drawing something. But we do these things without even thinking about it, right? We'll take once we draw the blue circle, we'll take the pen, we'll put it down, we'll take the black pen, we'll draw the second circle at the next position. We do it without even thinking, but the computers can't think, so you have to very specifically say, it seems. So we will do pen up, change the pen color, then go to the next position. We do everything in very specific instructions. So next it says again draw the circle, right? So again the circle's unit is 50. So we'll do that. So now we'll try whether if you have done it right. So first circle is drawn, second circle is also drawn. Perfect. So next one is I also tried this one, you know. I forgot the pen up last time. Okay, so without the pen up, what happened is, you see what will happen, just see. Okay, it immediately took the pen. Can you see this? So it drew it along the way. You can't have it, right? You have to take the pen up. It just dragged it, right? It shouldn't happen like that. So that's why we are having the pen up. Okay, so let's go on to the next one. So till this point we have done, right? So we drew the black circle. Now we'll go to the step number 10. So again it says lift the pen up. Okay, we have to go to the next one. So we'll lift the pen up, again the same set of steps. Now we'll change the pen color to red this time, then we are going to be moving into the next direction. So we'll take the go to block, we'll place it here, and we will take the two number blocks for x and y, and for x it says you have to give the direction as 220, so I'm going to give that, and y it is again 0, so we'll do that. Okay, so now next it says pen down again and draw the circle, so we'll take the pen down and draw the circle. So now let's see whether if you have done it right. First circle drawn, second circle drawn, third circle red color is also drawn. Next. So what we are going to do next is we are going to again repeat the same steps, but this time we are going to do it for the next one, which is the yellow color circle. So we are going to lift the pen up, set the color as yellow, and you have to change the direction. For x it's 55 units, so 55, and y it is minus 50. Okay, so you know coordinates can be in minus also, right? So we'll take that and we'll put it here as minus 50. Okay, then it says pen down and draw the circle, so we'll take the pen down and we'll draw the circle. You can also actually do this, there's a neat trick, you can actually duplicate the entire thing and place it like this, that's all. So then what we can do is we can hit play. Now if you hit play, 3 circles are drawn. Perfect, right? So next, actually 4 circles are drawn. Last one. So last one is we are going to do the green one. So we'll take the pen up, set the pen color as green. Next one is changing the direction. We'll change the direction. We'll go to positions 165 as x and minus 50 for y. The last one is pen down and draw a circle of 50. Perfect, right? So let's draw it and finish it off. Perfect. So now this is the level I finished. So you have so many levels available for free for your free sign up, and you have so many other levels in your premium access. You have to go check it out right away, guys. So if you did like this video, go like, comment and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to click the bell icon, and definitely do share it with your friends.